Today we have an iPhone XS Max. The issue with this phone is that it is not connected to any data. On the top we can see LTE, but when we try to open any website we get an error. Could not activate cellular data network. And if we try YouTube, we also get an error. If we check the cellular data settings on the phone, everything looks fine. Cellular data is on. Now the only probable cause of this problem might be that the user has a profile installed on the phone. Well, what is a profile? A profile changes the APN of your phone to something else. It is useful if your service provider is a virtual carrier. A virtual carrier is, for example, TracFone, Page Plus, any of these small, rare wireless carriers. A profile is not useful if your iPhone already has the correct information on how it is supposed to connect to the internet. If you guys are wondering what an APN is an access point name. It tells your phone how to connect to data. The definition for APN is below, and also the definition for a profile is below. Now we're going to check the phone and see if there is a profile installed on the phone. And if there is one, we're going to remove it, and that's probably going to fix the issue, the no data issue on the iPhone. If we go to settings, general, and here VPN and device management. Now under configuration profile, there's something called APN carrier settings. And yes, this is a profile that actually changes the APN on the phone for a carrier. This phone is running visible service. The iPhone already has the correct information for this service, so we don't need this profile. Probably the user of this phone was using another carrier before moving to this new carrier. So all we have to do is click on remove profile. Now there is no profiles here. Now let's check and load a website, maybe load YouTube, and see if data is now working. Okay, data is now working. There's no error messages. Now let's try to open YouTube. So yes, YouTube is working fine. So we fixed the issue without formatting the phone or doing anything to the phone. It was a simple solution to this problem. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.